It might not look pretty, but it certainly tastes great. That is usually Lizz's Ugly Bakery. On His Radio, I'm Rob. That is Liz. And this morning, she's made a delicious treat in her bakery.
Right. I made an orange creamsicle drip cake. A drip cake is where you take a mirror glaze and you're supposed to drip it over the top, and it's supposed to come about halfway down the cake. Mine was a little bit too thin, and so it ran all the way down.
You splotched it all over the cake.
I did. But I have to say, I'm kind of proud because I made actual creamsicles, like they're cake pops, but they look just like creamsicles that you would get from the ice cream truck.
Oh, that's not ice cream sticking on top of your cake?
No, that's a cake pop that's been dipped. It's been molded in a popsicle mold.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah, so I froze that, and then I dipped it in white chocolate, and then I put mirror glaze all over it. So it actually looks like a creamsicle because it even has like the little cream coming out the bottom, which is super cool, but that's white chocolate.
Amazing.
I know.
It looks realistically like a popsicle from the store.
It does. The cake, leaves a little bit to be desired, but I'm going to say I'm very proud of the cake pops.
Okay, so here we go. So she served us up already the orange creamsicle cake. Yeah. We're going to start with Ian and TJ, our video producers over at His Radio TV. So I think it's already gone into the mouths of these young men.
They're being awful quiet, so maybe.
That's a sign.
Yeah, that's
that it
never.
Could be really, really good.
Either really, really good or they're looking at each other.
Okay.
Like, what?
You're gonna TJ. So it's not bad. It's good. To me, it tastes nothing like an orange creamsicle.
What does it taste like, TJ?
It's just really sweet. It tastes like buttercream. Like it tastes a lot like buttercream.
That's exactly what I was about to say. Like I look at the little creamsicles on top, which really ties the whole entire thing together. I see them and I think, oh yeah, they're gonna taste just like orange creamsicle. And then I taste them and it's like, oh well, that's a cake. Still an amazing cake, just doesn't really scream orange dreamsicle.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave now because I need to go in a corner and cry.
Well, hold on.
But
I haven't tasted this yet.
Okay, all right.
Hold on. Okay. I'm going to just take a big little corner of this.
A big little corner.
Okay.
A big little corner.
There we go.
You actually did take a good bite there. I'm proud of you.
Mm-hmm. I taste the orange.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you guys did not taste the orange at all.
You've got a part where there was no orange.
Maybe. And I put orange ganache in there. I will say, I think next time I would put... Ganache is like...
Thank you. I was going to ask, what is a ganache? Could you tell by the way I looked? What?
Ganache is like the fluffy middle that you put in between the layers. And that's where the orange flavor was supposed to come from. So I used orange extract, which is what the recipe called for. Next time I make it, I may use actual orange juice because I always think when you use natural, it just tastes better. And maybe orange zest to bring it up. However, a creamsicle uses extract. So it still wouldn't taste like an orange
Let me
sickle.
know, and I still taste a little bit of orange.
Okay.
Oh, see?
Oh, it's coming in on the back end.
No, I did taste it.
It's like it's cilantro. It hits you later.
Then, like I said, I see the things on top. I see like the creamsicles on top, and it just leads my brain to think this is gonna be really orangey. So I mean, a little bit to an extent, just not.
Well, you can have one of these cake pops and lick like you would on a creamsicle and see how that works out.
Bro, don't tempt me.
Hey, your metabolism is that of a 8-year-old.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, my word.
Exactly.
Okay, so Lizz's Ugly Bakery, it's the orange creamsicle cake. The recipe and everything about it, plus a peek into Lizz's Ugly Bakery, is on the Rob and Liz blog. That's at hisradio.com. Lizz's Ugly Bakery might not look pretty, but it tastes great.